Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by taxpetty.com. First, let us look at the US markets. After 2 days of a very big rally, some correction is required, and that is exactly what was happened. And of course, there is a reason for correction. Though intraday it was correcting, but at that time when I went to sleep yesterday, in fact, they were all trading in green. But in the last 1 hour or 2 hours, I think it has fallen. Some Fed governors have spoken with a hawkish tone, and one of the governors said, some markets are too optimistic, and this interest rate will continue to rise. So the terminal rate will be much higher from the current level. So, however, considering the 2 days rally of nearly 1000 point in Nasdaq, falling 150 point is not a big deal. And in fact, Nasdaq has fallen more because of some news that Amazon will be laying off a lot of people. So otherwise, S&P 500 and Dow Jones, it did not fall much. And not only that, Asian markets are not reacting so badly to the negative closing of US. Asia is mixed, we can say. Some markets are, trading flat with a positive bias. Some markets are trading flat with a negative bias. Mostly they are flat. And however, US futures are higher right now. We can say at least half of the loss will be recovered in US futures now. So markets, as I told you already, all the major news has gone, and now, of course, there will be some retail sales data, like this and that will be coming, some small, up and down may be going, and, we can say market consolidation may happen. Coming back to our market, also the same thing, corporate results are coming to an end. I think today is the last day to declare the results, quarterly results. So after this, no more result-based stock movement. Yesterday, there were a lot of result-based movement. Sun TV fell nearly about 10%, and Manappuram Finance has shot up. So you may remember in between, about few days before, I gave a long call in Manappuram Finance. So that has done extremely very well after the results, and LIC has done very well. All the stock specific actions. I find that yesterday, though markets fell, there was a huge addition of open interest in metal stocks. So definitely Hindalco, Tata Steel and Vedanta will be in focus today. So other than that, markets, SGX Nifty is indicating about 40-50 point higher opening, but whether that higher opening will be sustained or not, so that's a big question. Always for the last 1 year plus, I've been observing every Tuesday the market has been highly volatile, and ever since this Fin Nifty expiry has come, markets have been very, very volatile. And Fin Nifty Tuesday expiry, they've introduced 50 strike prices. Every 50 point strike prices also they've introduced. So now the volumes are also picking up. Speculation is getting more. So the more speculation will lead to more volatility. So I stick to my view that, yesterday I told you 18,300 to 18,500 could be the range for yesterday's trade. I think I'm sticking to the same range for today also. So once 18,500 is crossed, so we can be more bullish and we can take more bullish bet. But a bearish bet, I will take only a fall below 18,000. So 18,000 to 18,500 is the range for me for a range bound market. So any breakout or breakdown, accordingly I will adjust my positions. Yesterday, our market did not fall much. At the end of the day, Nifty fell just only about 20 points. But despite that, the VIX started moving higher. And even yesterday also, US market also, the fall was not big, not even 1%. But despite that, VIX has shot up around 5% in US also. So going forward, I'm trying to reduce my positions, and because I always tell you can predict any event, but it's going to be very difficult to predict the election outcome. So you may remember what happened during Brexit, what happened as recent as last week, when everybody expected Republicans to win, but Democrats took the control of Senate. So we have two elections in December, and most important is the Gujarat state election. So therefore, as and when the volatility goes down and I reduce my positions in December options also, I might be retaking my positions after the Gujarat state election results, I think, which is on 18th or 20th of December. I forgot exactly. So looking at the open interest, I think 18,200 should be a good support. Once the people know the markets are going to consolidate, that time value will work in favor of them. So when the markets are highly volatile, the gamma effect will kill them. But now with the low VIX environment, the gamma effect possibility is very less. So the people close their eyes and sell put options even at nearer strike price. But I choose to close all my positions taking this opportunity. Today, clearly, the focus will be on metal stocks, and banking stocks will also be, State Bank of India. I think it has corrected nearly 5-6% from the recent high. However, Bank of Baroda is still holding. And coming to private sector bank, ICICI Bank is correcting, but Kotak Bank is moving higher. So it's a mixed bag, and Bank Nifty is confused just because, Bank Nifty trading at all-time high, but Nifty is not trading at all-time high. So that's why Bank Nifty is reluctant to move higher, trying to consolidate. And once again, the market will be making very big move today, both the sides, only because of this Fin Nifty expiry and HDFC movement. And this HDFC will move all over the places. And, so in fact, for the last 1 year, the market, was dominated by this HDFC and HDFC Bank. You may remember HDFC went from 2000 to 3000, from 3000 to 2000, again from 2000, now it is close to 2700. So making, HDFC and HDFC Bank both are in the top 5 index heavyweights and moving, like 50% so many times. So until this merger issue, I think now the merger issue is more or less very clear. Maybe another few days, and after that the volatility will go down in those stocks. So let us hope any fall towards 18,300, and I will be looking to sell some put options on the downside, and any rise closer to 18,500, I will be looking to sell call option around 18,700 and something like that. So because today is Tuesday, so we have only 2 more trading sessions, and the markets not expected to make any big move during the next 2 days. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.